Hey guys, it's TML from Flipping Central. Today I'll be reviewing the DarkFlash DF140 Gale case. This case has loads of nice features for only $55. Without further ado, let's get into it. First, I want to start off with the features of the case. Number 1, it has 3 DarkFlash CS140mm RGB fans. On top of that, the front is all mesh. The airflow of the case is pretty solid. Number 2, it has a power supply basement to hide all of your cables. Number 3, for I/O, there's one USB 3, two USB 2, audio in and out, an LED button, and power and reset switches. Next up, my general thoughts on the case. I think overall it's really nice. It's an EATX layout, so it's really big and roomy. The building experience was pretty painless. I do have a couple of complaints though. At the top of the case, it's lacking some cutouts, which is kind of annoying depending on your build because of cable management. Some higher quality fans would be appreciated, but for a flip it's perfectly fine. The included fans are really quiet though, which is a plus. They also have a lot of RGB modes and are pretty bright. One unfortunate part I will say is that it has the cheap breakaway PCIe covers. Another thing is that some of the metal, at least on mine, was a little bit sharp, so you just have to watch out while you're building. The case included plenty of screws, and it even had a RGB controller, so if you didn't feel like getting up and pressing the button, you could just use the little remote included. It also has Velcro straps instead of zip ties, which I've never seen included with the case at this price point, which is really nice. They're reusable and pretty high quality. I don't really have anything else to say, so let's just get into the build. For the specs, I have an i7 4770, an Asus B85 gamer, 16GB of RAM, a 120GB SSD, a 500GB hard drive, a GTX 960, a 450W EVGA W3, and of course the DF140. Enjoy the montage. And that's basically it, guys. Feel free to follow all of our social media. It will all be linked in the description. Also, make sure to join our Discord server so that way you get notified whenever we do giveaways. We just gave away an EVGA GT1030 to Weebmaster in our Discord server. Congratulations to him, and thanks to ZCWorks for providing the card. With that being said, that's the end of the video. See ya.